Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is Minestrone Soup. Today's version of Minestrone Soup is with carrots, baby corns, mushrooms, beans, celery, onion and garlic. Few ingredients will remain the same, but you can add anything for the soup. Let's begin the soup. I'm going to add in some olive oil. I'm going to saute some onions. Finely chopped garlic. Carrots. Baby corn, chopped celery, mushrooms. I would like to add some salt at this stage. Cover and cook for few minutes. Here I am adding tomato which has been blanched and crushed. Here you can even add the store-bought tomato puree. I have some beans which I have boiled and I am adding this. You can even add garbanzo here. I want this to boil well. At this stage, check on the salt. Since we are going to put pasta, it needs little more than required. Some salt is added and I'm adding the pasta. I'm adding in the pepper. I'm going to tear in few basil leaves. Here, instead of pasta, you can even add the cooked barley to make it a healthier option. Since the tomatoes what I used was not very sweet, I feel this a little tangy, so I'm going to add in a spoon of sugar just to cut the tanginess. Pasta is cooked. All the ingredients are well balancedly cooked. I can switch off the flame and it is ready to serve. With this, you can grate some Parmesan cheese. Here I have some powdered Parmesan cheese. I'm using that. I generally serve along with some garlic bread. Here, the soup is ready to eat. For more healthy soups, subscribe SBL Foods.